Keep multiplying found values by 2. So here is given a vector nums and an original value. You have to find you have to find the original value, which is 3, and then you have to multiply it by 2. Okay, so here is original value is 3 and you have to multiply it by 2 and it will become a 6. Okay, and then you just have to after it becoming a 6, then you have to uh, find then you have to found the number 6 in the nums. If it is present in a nums, then you just have to do multiplication by 2. Okay, so 6 is multiplied by 2 and you will get 12, and then you have to again check it in a nums that 12 is present or not. If it is present in nums, then you just have to do 12 into 2, which is 24, and after getting a 24, you have to again check it in a nums that 24 is present or not. If it is present, then you have to do multiplication by 2, and if it is not, then you just have to return it 24. Okay, so it is one of the easiest question, I guess. In the same way, there is a 2, 7 and 4. So the original value is 4, but initially there is no 4 in a nums, so you just have to return only 4. Okay, so let's do this. First I will sort nums dot begin comma nums dot end. Okay, and int length equals to nums dot size, and I will traverse through the nums for int I equals to 0, I less than length, I equals to 0, I less than length, then I plus plus. If you have to check if original equals to nums of I, then you just have to do original into equals to 2. Okay, we will multiply with the 2, and after this for loop end, you just have to return the original, means if it is not, find the element. Original. Okay, so let's run this code. Now this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.